Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Plextone G15 gaming headphones which will work on your PC, mobile, Xbox and even PlayStation. So in this video let's unbox this beast and quickly review on the tech show. We will start with a nice letter. Let's start, shall we? So this is the Amazon Prime shipping box. A special thanks to our friends at Plextone for sending me this device. Now let's bring a necessary knife and peel the sellotape off. Peeling the black Amazon Prime sellotape, pushing some effort to remove it. And you have a nice airbag inside for the support. Let's remove it. And inside we have the Plextone box. Let's remove this up. And this is a very nice black Plextone box. Let's keep this aside for the time being. Let's see what's inside. We get some regular bills. Let's put it back. And this is the star of the show, which is the Plextone G15 game earphones. So you can see the price quoted here is $1299. And it is manufactured in China. Also, you get some features listed on the box in different languages, which is nice. This is the red color they send me. So let's open the lid by removing the indent. Let's remove a tray inside it, which is the black tray. Let's slide the tray. And you have the nice red and black earphones here, nothing inside the box. And there's some lot of accessories in here. So let's remove the wire first, which seems to be very long. So this is the red and black earphones. And nice, it has a magnet and a Plextone logo on it, which feels nice. Initial impressions, nice. And you also have this remote with a button in the slider, which is nice. Also we have a wire and a 3.5 mm jack, which is not gold plated, of course. And you get the earbuds and the neck pin. You also get this special accessory. So this is the desktop cable, which I call it desktop cable. So 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm splitter. And you have this leaflet in Chinese, and it says 1 year warranty. Now I will connect it to my phone and I will use it for a few days and will give my initial impression. See you there. So guys, I'm using this Plextone G15 gaming headphones for quite a while now, almost 2-3 days, and I'm really impressed with this earphones. So initially when I saw this, that is a red and black accent gaming headphones, I thought to compare it with the Boat Basshead 225. Now because when I did the review of this earphones, a lot of you guys were asking that is this good for gaming? So the answer is this is good for gaming. Now basically thanks to the Plextone guys for sending me this review unit, and the sound quality is very good. I'm really impressed. First of all, the bass is excellent like the Boat, but the treble is very good. So it is far better than the Boat Basshead in terms of treble. I won't say it is excellent as compared to the Sony and Audio Technica, but it is very good. It is on par, and the excellent bass and very good treble combines to give a very good audio experience. And it is the loudest earphones I ever tried. Frankly speaking, it is the loudest one I ever tried. And as you increase the volume, you also increase the bass. So if you want less bass, you can just lower the volume and enjoy. So it is best of both worlds. Now you can see in terms of build quality, this has magnets, which is very nice. And this is a metal build. So it feels very nice and it is not heavy. Initially, gaming headphones are actually heavy, but this is very light and very nice. It also has a special button here, as you can see. This button is to receive end calls, and this is actually a mute switch, so you can just mute the earphones. So I thought you can just mute the mic and you can listen to the audio, but when you turn off the mic, you also turn off the audio from the headphones, so it is completely disconnected. So for example, if you're in game, because this is gaming headphones, you are going to play with it. If you're in game, for example PUBG, and you are the end part of this game and there are only few people left and your friends are like irritating you, you can just disable this audio and focus on the game. So this is a very nice feature. Now this earphones set a different category in itself. This is gaming earphones. Now what is special in that? So I tried with several games. So I tried with the CSGO and was really impressed. My laptop supports Dolby Atmos, so it supports surround sound. So from the where the opponent is coming or from the where there is a fighting, you can basically with the sound you can admire that this guy is coming from this side or from that side, which is really great. And I also tried with the several other games like Space Engineers and PUBG Mobile, and it was nice experience. Surround sound, if you have Dolby Atmos, it will be cherry on the cake. Good for gaming because it is loud. You can hear each step of your opponent, and the mic quality is good. I won't say it is as good as the Board Bassett 225, but it is very good. So the only thing which I didn't like is this wire quality. Now this wire is huge. You can see it is very long. Now with this is useful because if you're connecting it to your computer, PlayStation or Xbox, which this supports all of them. So this is a very long cable. Now I tangle it. So, but it is a very long cable, and which is very useful. But the wire quality is not. I mean, it's okay. It's better than my Sony Audio Technica, but it's not as good as the Board Bassett or even the Mi in-ear headphones. So they have this Kevlar fiber wire, and Boat also has this flat cable wire, which both are stronger than these. And you also get this PC connector. So basically desktop having separate port for audio and separate for the mic, but with this you can connect. And if you try to buy this separately, then it will cost you. So this is included in the box, and which is very good. Now these earphones are dedicated for gamers, but it can also used by any music enthusiast. They are really very good and recommended. Check the link in the video description. You will find the Amazon links to buy this. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.